Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to become particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're selling your Nintendo Switch 2 and you want to go ahead and factory reset it so that all your data and login information is removed. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that let's turn on our Nintendo Switch 2. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to navigate to where it says settings, which is this option here. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll all the way down, find where it says system, and then afterwards, scroll down once again, and then click on data clear options. Once you click on data clear options, you have a few options here: clear cache, clear keyboard history. You want to click on restore factory settings. And so keep in mind that this is going to delete all your data in your system memory, basically making it as if your Nintendo Switch 2 was brand new out of the box and you had to restart it up again. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.